Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Meet Nils Olaf, a remarkable king penguin who holds a unique and prestigious role far beyond the icy habitats of his species, residing at Edinburgh Zoo in Scotland. Nils Olaf has been adopted by the Norwegian King's Guard, a ceremonial infantry unit, and has been honored with titles and ranks typically reserved for human soldiers, from being knighted to holding the rank of brigadier. Nils Olaf symbolizes the closest ties between Norway and Scotland, blending military tradition with Deerfoot whimsy. Join us, we dive into the extraordinary story of Nils Olaf, the penguin who rose through the ranks to become a celebrated and beloved mascot, capturing hearts and headlines around the world. Here are some lesser known and intriguing facts about Nils Olaf and his legacy. Background and history. Original Nils Olaf. The tradition began in 1972 when a king penguin at Edinburgh Zoo was named Nils Olaf after Major Nils Egelian, who arranged for the adoption and King Olaf V of Norway. The penguin was made an honorary member of the Norwegian King's Guards. Multiple successors. The current Nils Olaf is actually the third penguin to hold the title. When a Nils Olaf dies, another penguin at the zoo is chosen to carry on the traditions. Honors and titles. Number 1, promotion. Over the years, Nils Olaf has received several promotions in rank. He started as a simple mascot and has risen through the ranks to become a brigadier. Number 2, knighted penguin. In 2008, Nils Olaf was knighted by the Norwegian King's Guard in a formal ceremony attended by hundreds of guardsmen and zoo visitors. This made him Sir Nils Olaf. Number 3, Colonel-in-Chief. In 2016, Nils Olaf III was promoted to brigadier and later to the rank of Colonel-in-Chief. This promotion was accompanied by the ceremony, reinforcing his status and the unique relationship between Norway and Scotland. Ceremonial duties. Number 1, parade inspections. Nils Olaf regularly inspects the Norwegian King's Guard when they visit Edinburgh Zoo. The penguin wedges along the ranks, often pausing to observe the soldiers, which has become a beloved and humorous tradition. Number 2, uniform and medals. During these ceremonies, Nils Olaf is adorned with a small version of the King's Guard uniform and wears medals representing his ranks and honors. Symbol of friendship. Number 1, Norwegian-Scottish relations. Nils Olaf's role symbolizes the close ties between Norway and Scotland. The tradition highlights the goodwill and comrade between the two nations. Number 2, international fame. Nils Olaf's story has gained international attention, making him a beloved figure beyond Norway and Scotland. His promotions and ceremonies are covered by media worldwide, bringing joy to many. Fun and quirky facts. Number 1, Guinness World Record. The title and the unusual nature of Nils Olaf's ranks and honors earned him a spot in the Guinness Book Records. Number 2, inspired merchandise. Nils Olaf's face has inspired a range of merchandise including toys, postcards, and memorabilia celebrating his unique status. Nils Olaf's story is a charming blend of military tradition and whimsy, demonstrating how a penguin became a symbol of international friendship and a beloved mascot with a distinguished military career. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with the next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.